So this is our RHS Chatsworth Flower Show display. It's the first time we've done a circle, which has been really interesting. Something I don't know why we've always avoided, but we've done a nice circle, and we're really happy with it. The plants are looking fantastic. Got a nice lot of flower coming with the violas and some nice vibrant colours as well with variegation. So it's gone really, really well. In particular, I'm pleased that this Szechuan pepper has got peppercorns growing, and hopefully one day we'll have some of them for sale as well. They're quite hard to germinate, but we're working on that. And a lovely lot of chilies. Quite a nice array of chilies, especially for this time of year. We've had times where it's been a fantastic year to grow chilies in, and times where it's been a hard year to grow chilies in. So we've had quite a mixed bag this year. There's some really nice new varieties here as well. Some nice new variegated ones, and we've got quite a lot of fruit coming. So we're really, really pleased with it. Yes, it's going really, really well. And behind me, sort of to the side of me, this is part of our Gardener's World display. So Gardener's World is around about 2 days after Chatsworth, so it's quite a tight schedule this time of year. So this is going to hold all our grow kits, which we'll be talking about more online in videos in time to come. So we're going to have a grow kit stand here, which is a house with loads and loads of grow kits and pots and stuff. And our more traditional display will be up that end. So it's one of the biggest displays we've ever done. So yeah, we're really, really excited about that. But if you're going to Chatsworth Flower Show, this is the stand you'll see. Make sure you come and say hello.